Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VRUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't want to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far, well above average volume on the day. So quite a few eyeballs now on this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. First level of support is essentially where the bleeding, never really passed by this afternoon. And what do I mean by that? Well, let's right up here at 0.02. Yeah, there was this crazy 30-minute session there, but then the price, to give full credit to, the bulls did a great job of, bouncing back very nicely. And then the bears gave it another attempt. So, a quick history thing, the first 30 minutes, bears gave it a big attempt, then the bulls, shoved it right back upwards, which was great. And then all of a sudden the bears came back into town and tried pressing it downwards. However, when they tried pressing it downwards for the second time, the only progress they could make was down to 0.02, and that actually bounced off there twice. So for that reason, 2 cents now becomes an important level, because that's where, like I said, the bears attempted to push it downwards, but this time around the bulls were like, no, I know last time we let it get down below there, but no more there. So 0.02 is going to be that near-term level of support going into not only necessarily just Friday, but then also next week. If the price does not hold above that level, then the next level after that is just very straight down at 0.015 for nothing fancy or complicated, other than that's just the fact where the bleeding stopped today during that first crazy 30 minutes. But as of right now, 0.02 is doing a good job of holding strong. So getting a little bit ahead of myself talking about 0.015 because the bears are going to first need to prove themselves in the near term. Again, quote unquote, prove themselves, being getting down below and staying down below 0.02. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's all about the purple line here going forward, which is the 50-period moving average. Just a quick glance at the past, you can see there's quite of a track record now of that area knocking down the price. And you can see right there actually got below it, up above it temporarily, but then the big brother up there, the 200-period moving average, knocked it back down. However, as of right now, at least in my opinion, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's more so about trying to continue to stabilize out. So it's been doing a good job stabilizing, but maybe spending a few more days doing that, and then you can focus more so on making an upwards push. But overall, rough day, but it could have been a whole lot worse had the bulls not made that impressive bounce back. So we'll see if they can build upon that momentum or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.